Hey guys, how you doing? This is going to be an unboxing video. Now this is stuff that I got from a site called Weee. It's mainly like Asian foods, but you can get meat, and I'm telling you, the meat looks absolutely wonderful. This is actually a gift I'm giving. I'm doing like a couple of ramen bags for a friend of my son's that they are currently homeless, so that's gonna be nice. They both like Naruto, and hello, yes, one's my daughter. These are like fried scallions. Yeah, fried shallots. And it's bubbly tea. My daughter loves that stuff. And this is how everything comes packed. Another bag of fried shallots. Oh, these are live noodles. Really cool sweet potato noodles. I've never seen these. I've seen Marion Grosby use them, and oh my god. Have mercy here. Now, I'm going to put this in pause. Alright guys, I'm back. This is the pork that I got. Ground pork. This is a pork loin. I got whole. And honestly, these cost as much through Weee as actually a little bit less than in the store now. This is a Taiwan sausage. So, that's it. Got 3 things of ramen, wide noodles, a bubble tea, and fried shallots. I'll see you guys later.